Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing a very healthy recipe, instant vegetable Jowar Idli. This can be prepared very easily and does not require any fermentation or grinding the batter. Start the procedure. First take 1 cup of fine suji, that is semolina, and roast the suji for some time. Roast on medium flame to prevent burning. After the suji is roasted, now add 3/4 cup of Jowar Flour, that is Sorghum flour, to the roasted suji and give a mix. Now add 1 cup of curd and give a mix. Suji and the flour absorbs the curd and you will get a paste-like texture. Now add approximately 1 cup of water slowly little by little and keep mixing to prevent lump formation. Adjust water accordingly and prepare the consistency like the idli batter. Add salt according to your taste and also add finely chopped carrot and beans and also chopped coriander leaves and give a mix. Add teaspoon baking soda and give it a mix. For getting a spongy and fluffy idlis, adding baking soda is a must. Jowar is rich in fiber and is also good for diabetic patients. Grease the idli plates with little oil and transfer the batter to the plates. Add little water in the pressure cooker and place these plates in the cooker and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. After the idlis are done, transfer them to a plate. Serve the healthy Jowar idlis with peanut chutney and sambar. These Jowar idlis taste good with peanut chutney. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.